Hi, my name is Megan and I am a Sidewalk Scientist with Sidewalk Science Center in Bradenton and Sarasota. And I am here to answer the question, why are some trees hollow in the center? Alright, we're going to start out first with this strangler fig here. And as you can see in the center, it is hollow. So what strangler figs do is they start growing at the top of a tree and they send roots down into the soil. And they are parasites, so eventually they will strangle out the tree. So in this case, I'm pretty sure that there was a palm tree or something in the middle that it strangled out, and after the palm tree died, it left this hollow space in the middle of the tree here. So this tree grew around a tree to become hollow on the inside. But what about when a tree is solid on the inside, but then the inside rots away or becomes hollow? Let's go find out. So first I want to show you all the inside of a tree. So this, I believe, was an oak tree. So it's a hardwood tree. And on the inside is where it's going to be transporting its water and nutrients. So we have around the outside here, you kind of see it's a lighter color. You're going to have the xylem and the phloem there. So xylem is going to be transporting water from the roots to the leaves, and then the phloem is going to be transporting nutrients from the leaves back down to the roots. And then you have the bark that's on the outside protecting the tree. On the inside is where you're going to have the heartwood. And the heartwood doesn't have any living material, so that is what is going to be rotting when you have the inside of the tree that is hollow. So as a tree grows, it grows out, and the new xylem and phloem keep moving out. So the inside of the tree is going to be the heartwood, and as the xylem and phloem grows out, that's how you're going to get the girthiness of the tree, but also new xylem and phloem growth. So on some trees, like this one, there are stressors that will make the tree hollow on the inside. Some stressors could be lightning or different kinds of heat, maybe insects, bacteria, fungi, that'll kind of eat out the middle of the tree like this. Palm trees are a little bit different on the inside with their vasculature, how they transport the water and nutrients. So in palm trees, they have all of these little tubes on the inside. Instead of growing outward, they have all of the tubes on the inside in just little bundles. These bundles help them to transport water from the leaves, transport water from the roots to the leaves and transport nutrients from the leaves back down to the roots. Palm trees are very similar to grasses in the way that they grow. They're not going to grow outward at all, they're only going to grow upward. That's so cool. It's like spongy too. We talked about some of the natural causes of why a tree might rot the center part of the heartwood of it. And those were the fungus, the bacteria, maybe animals causing it. But there are other reasons why a tree might allow the center to degrade. And some hypotheses for this are maybe in some nutrient poor areas, the center of the tree will rot to allow nutrients to get into the roots of the tree. And another hypothesis is that the center or the heartwood of the tree isn't really providing much for the tree. It's some stability, but not a whole lot. So the tree has to defend the center of it to protect it from getting invaded by insects or fungus or things like that. So it might just purposefully get rid of or rot the center so that it doesn't have to chemically defend the center. Thanks for watching this episode of Hey Sidewalk Scientist. And thanks to the Patreon supporters who support $5 and up for allowing videos like this to happen. And for all of our supporters on Patreon. If you would like to become a supporter on Patreon, please click on the link in the description below. Thanks again. Bye!